I am going to talk about two of my favorite breakfast meal. We're going to make banana pancake. Yum yum. These are the ingredients. It's banana, cinnamon, and white flour. And then these are, you could add eggs, and then you could put blueberries. You put blueberries, and then you could put chocolate chips. First thing, you peel the banana, then you mash it. You just mash it. After you mash the banana, you add flour and one half cup of flour, and then you mix it together. Then you put cinnamon. You put a sprinkle of cinnamon, and then after that you could put chocolate chip. My favorite chocolate chip. You could pour it in there, and then whatever you like, blueberries, or you can add eggs in it, and then whatever you like in it. This is how you make it. And you put oil. You put oil in it, and then you put it in the pot. See the pot? And then you just look to make sure it's you look inside on the bottom. Now let's eat. Mmm, yum yum. My next favorite breakfast is called yogurt parfait. My first thing is yogurt. See the name? And this is a good brand because you put the yogurt first. You put the yogurt, and then you yogurt. You put 3 spoons, one or whatever how much you want to be, 2 and 3. Okay? And then the next thing is granola. See the granola? And then next time, in my next video, I'll show you how to make the granola. And then you spread it around. You see? And then you put the chocolate chips. And then whatever you want to put in, you can put it in there. You can put cinnamon. You can put flaxseed, whatever you want to put, we'll do, okay? And then you put whatever strawberry, blueberries, whatever you want to put in there, okay? And then there you have it.